20-year-old girl, in fact, has been gang raped in Karaikal in Puducherry. The incident took place on Christmas Eve when the girl was abducted, raped, and then she was left to die. Her agony did not end there. She was again abducted by a group of 7 men. 6 of them took turns to rape her. Police have now arrested 10 people in connection with the incident, but 5 remain absconding. Police now suspect the role of victim's friend's boyfriend in this incident.
So one case has been reported, and there are 15 accused as of all, and there's one victim girl. Most of the people have been secured. 3 people absconding, will secure them very soon. Everybody has been identified, and very soon we'll get these other 3 people who are absconding. So it has been worked out. There is one minor is there. One minor accused is there, but he has not committed the assault. He is in some other sections.
But Shrisha Reddy is joining us with more details from Chennai. An absolute horror there, Shrisha. Just take us through the latest in the investigations.
That's right. Of course, we seem to have not learned from the past mistakes as far as such incidents are concerned, which have been repeated in the past. And as far as this incident is concerned, earlier this year also we did see another incident happening in Puducherry where it was a gang rape again. And this incident which happened on the eve of Christmas, where 2 girls had gone for sightseeing in Karaikal, and where a group had abducted and kidnapped this 20-year-old woman and raped her. And after they let her off, there was another gang which had taken a tip-off from the first gang, and then they had abducted and raped her. There are 2 different gangs who had raped her, and at least 10 of them have been arrested, and different charges under IPC have been slapped against them, and at least 10 of them have been arrested by the police officials there. And we did try and speak to the senior superintendent of police some time back. She also said that they have been trying to nab the 3 absconding people who are still under wraps. So this is the latest information that we are getting, and so they have all the details. The victims' data and also the victims' first-hand record have been recorded by the police officials, and they are also trying to ascertain other details of this particular case.